It was a very wet cyclone season this year here in Fiji. So we used the opportunity to find and fix leaks on NV.
Puro water.
Hi, we're Timo and Jo, and this is our sailing yacht NV. We're currently in Fiji, transforming NV from an ex-race boat to a performance family cruiser. It's been particularly wet this cyclone season, and Timo's used these rainy days to try to track down leaks on our boat.
Yeah, still the muddy water.
One place water can get in is through the hole where the anchor chain enters.
Oh, ecco.
Or any fitting that goes through the deck.
Wow. There is one hole. There is one hole.
Here we found a hole where the anchor winch is installed.
Plus this one.
Plus a leak coming from the base of the stanchions.
From the hedge. From the hose I sealed yesterday for be sure. This is very dry. Here there is no sign of water. Okay. This one.
Hatches are another common source of leaks.
See, I can fix it, but that is good. The one built from me is good.
Either from the seal of the hatch opening or from the bolts that attach the hatch to the deck.
Okay, that's it. Here it's quite dry. Is this ghosty? It is quite dry.
Here's a chain plate from one of the forestays. Chain plates go through the deck, so water can also enter here if they're not sealed properly. Luckily ours look pretty dry, although they need a good clean.
È completamente asciutta. Okay, one of the leak water, the deck is all this all to the old rail, the old track, Genoa, che we go to rebuild, and nothing, they don't filler with the epoxy filler and fiberglass, they only seal with the Sika 10 years before, and now leak again. And it's better to do it properly one time it's done. An important job we have to do it is remove the stopper and try to also service. And the watch inside here there's one crack. Okay, have to fix it here. The water before come from the hole, okay, ready seal, and now I got to reinforce, but also from this crack because all blocks they collapse the deck. So I want to move the blocks back to the support of the roof like this. After we have to tight this cable like this, we can see like this. After we have a opportunity to put one spray hood and continue to maneuver the stopper on the back. Now we continue. Ciao. Okay, I find this is a part of the frame in aluminium connect to the chain plate. Thank you, Joanna. And if you see now I drill, this material is a wet silicone. There is a lot of water going in here. We try to clean it properly. Okay, it's all wet. What?
These holes had just been filled with Sikaflex, which we found now was all wet.
All wet. Okay, the last one. Why they not filler and fiberglass on the top? Now the other one. So pain I have on my arm. This one is completely wet. Watch how much water.
We want to drill out all of the Sikaflex so that we can refill these holes with epoxy filler and fiberglass over the top to seal them better.
Done. Perfection. Perfect. Here there is the crack to clean better all. Maybe use it one bit more long.
We use a drill bit to clean the holes to make sure we've got all the Sikaflex out.
Okay. Just to be sure there is no Sika, because the Sika don't glue the resin. You see, there is Sika here. Quindi it's better aumenta the size to the hole, but no Sika. Okay?
We enlarge the holes a bit more to really make sure we get all of the Sikaflex out so that the new epoxy filler bonds well.
Okay, also this side I already drill all. Now I augment the top part to the hole with one conic drill bit, and mix it epoxy filler cover. At the same time this one with fiberglass, also one disc of fiberglass on the top. Yes, done.
By drilling the top of the holes a bit bigger so that they have a funnel or V shape, this ensures that they catch the epoxy better and provides a larger surface area for it to adhere to. Next, we fill all the holes with epoxy filler.
Okay, all ready for resin, like you see. This is the part of the infiltration water before. Now we filler done. To be sure we got to reinforce. Here there is the crack. Okay. Prepare. Oh, sorry. Okay. Allora, I prepare.
We then add a layer of fiberglass on top that covers all of the holes. And we have to make sure that we wet the fiberglass with enough resin that it changes colour and becomes transparent, and we have to be sure that there are no air bubbles.
The fiberglass have to come all transparent and don't have an area with the air bubble or different color, because I mean there is a less resin or air. Now for making very nice the top coat, making the light one, we don't add other resin because the resin is all there, because less compact is the fiber, less strong is yeah, there is the...
We try to use as less resin as possible to make the structure more compact and more strong.
You see? Now it's very tight here, little bit, to be sure is enough. Tack. And this one guarantee in the future there is no water go in. Now the peel ply. I don't want to use the brush, I'm missing to take the roll. The important is have to be very tight, no bubble also.
Putting peel ply on top gives a smoother finish and helps to compact the epoxy and squeeze out any excess resin.
It's perfect. Okay. Opposite side. Okay, hard, long day job, plenty job we done today, but the most happiness, the thing that make me more happy is this. We have one crack with the stopper. We remove the stopper, filler the hole, filler all to the old track that is only sealed with the Sika before, and they leak. We have a leak on the top of the cabin, and we have one crack here. And we reinforce, filler, fix it, and peel ply on the top to everything. Also plus some crack to impact of blocks and something. We grinding up to the Kevlar, and yeah, there is a dropping resin everywhere. Oh, that is not good. I have to wash. Okay, yeah, but we reinforce with fiberglass, peel ply on the top to everything. All good, very very good. Now also here, this one peel ply on the top, reinforce with the fiberglass, filler the hole, all done. Done.
Let's go and see what Timo did this week. Nice sunny evening. So this week he used the rain showers to find all the leaks and reseal them all. Reinforce any area on the deck that had cracks. Oh, wow, busy boy. Thank you, Timo. Well done, Timo. Good night, guys. Oh.